Hey guys, want to do a quick video on what's involved in these triple lids we just made. There's a couple modifications you need to do to your latch mechanism. First, you'll need to drill through these and grind these flush, all four of them, similar to what we have here on both sides. That's just so it sits on these mounting bosses nice and flush, and you get a lot of thread engagement and strength there. Also, front tweeter, no mods. Rear tweeter, I'll show you here. Just a slight cut here, and that'll give you clearance for the rear tweeter. And then the center speaker will also need to have some cutout. You can kind of see here the Sharpie mark you'll need to remove, but also pay attention, there's that lock cable you'll need to move. And see, we kind of notched it here, and there's actually a nub you can zip tie it to so it doesn't rattle or anything. But really, that's everything. Once you get clearance for the speakers and tweeters and bolt it down with our supplied hardware, just install the rest as normal and enjoy. Thanks for looking.